Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
I'm 29 weeks pregnant with my second baby now, and I wanted to get some pictures in a nice dress and also possibly a nice dress for my baby shower. I love this dress by Kim S so much. I got the size extra extra large, and I love how versatile it is. You can change up the neckline however you want. It's nice and stretchy. I love this fabric. It is so comfortable and soft, but it stretches but not too much. And I love this sash that comes with it. It is super cute, but I also like that you can wear it without it. For example, if I'm just lounging around the house, this is such a comfortable dress to do that in. I love laying in bed, reading a book. I'm about 5'2" and I love the length of this. It goes right to the floor without being too long. And if I was wearing heels or something, it would be perfect.
Whether you're looking for a gift for someone or for yourself, I highly recommend this dress. It is perfect for all occasions, even just lounging around at home, and I love that it is breastfeeding friendly. I highly recommend it. It is so comfortable, and that's my point of view.